So many people have come to me asking me about my necklace, my selenite necklace that I got on Etsy. So I thought, why not do a video on selenite in general? So if you're an empath, a sensitive, or you work really closely with people, especially if you're a coach and you're doing deep work with your clients, you're gonna wanna watch this video and learn all about one of my favorite crystals, selenite. I am someone who is such an empath. I'm so sensitive. I could be like watching a commercial and I'm in tears. If I'm around people and I'm not careful and I haven't protected my energy, I will take on other people's energy. Even when I used to live in an apartment, I could feel the energy of the people who lived beside me or above me. And when I go to a mall or a really big public place, I just feel like I'm absorbing so much of the energy. And so one of the tools that I use to protect myself is selenite. So I love to wear this necklace, either like working with clients or making videos or doing live streams to help me keep my energy as my own. When I'm heading out to a mall or somewhere that's really busy, I love to throw one of these in my purse or my pocket. And then this large selenite wand, I keep in front of my desk. So if I'm, working with people, that energy is not coming through to me. And also when I'm running live events, especially when we're doing deep work, like what we teach in the Yes Supply Method coaching certification, like a parts integration, or going back to, when someone was really, really young, or even a past life or past generation, doing that deep work and lifting up all that energy, you can actually really feel a lot of dense energy in the room. So in addition to Palo Santo, I also love to take this wand and I will literally wave it around my body like this and just cleanse the energy, and I can feel different. So I want to talk to you a little bit about selenite, how I use it and why it's so important. And like I said, I love supporting small businesses. I got this off of Etsy, so if I can find the link to the exact person that I bought it from, I will put it in the description below so you can check that shop out. So selenite is a crystal that doesn't absorb energy. And so what it does is it essentially is like a clear channel of energy. So if you have other crystals, you can put them with your selenite and it's supposed to clear out the energy of those other crystals, or cleanse it, I should say, so that you can charge your crystals. Whenever you buy a new crystal, so if you buy a rose quartz or amethyst or selenite or citrine or something like that, if somebody else in the shop has held that crystal, it has absorbed the energy of that person. So when you first get your crystals, one way that you can cleanse them so that you can charge them is with a selenite wand. Selenite is also known to clear out your higher chakras so that you can connect deeper with your higher source, so with your intuition. So by wearing it or by using this to clear the energy in your space, you're going to be more connected to source and to intuition. If, by the way, you want more information on intuition, I recently did a meditation that I posted on YouTube that helps you connect to your intuition. And also, if you're not already following me on Instagram, head to Instagram and type in Yes Supply, so YESSUPPLY, because I also recently did a video on the 4 different types of intuition and how to strengthen your intuition. And that was such a popular video, so I know that you'll love it as well. Also too, if you want to deep dive with me in your energy hygiene, I have an amazing course that I'll link below. It's a mini course, so it's really affordable, called Energetically Grounded, Protected, and Elevated. And in this, I walk through different tools and techniques that I use to keep my energy clear. So I talk about cord cutting, I talk about the chakras, I talk about different meditations and how I actually create energy protection to start my day. And so again, if you're an empath, you're a sensitive, you feel like you absorb other people's energy, you'll want this mini course. And also too, if you're a coach and you're working with people, every time you have a conversation with someone, you are creating an esoteric cord in between you and them. And if you're not careful, and if this person drains you or they're an energy vampire, they can be draining your energy even when you're not around them. And so you might, as a coach, be working with clients and be asking yourself, why am I so drained? And it's because your clients have come to you because they see you as a source of energy, and they might be draining you even when you're not around. And it's not just for clients. If your partner is draining, or a coworker at work, or a parent or family member, they can be draining you even when you're not around them. And so that's why it's so important to protect your energy, to feel grounded, and to elevate your energy. And you can do that. So again, I'll post a link to the mini course below. I know you will love it. And again, check out the other videos on intuition too, because that's going to help you strengthen and know where to go in your life. So selenite is known, as I said, to clear your higher chakras, which allows your energy to flow more smoothly through your body, more evenly, to help you feel more energized, more vibrant. It's also said to emit white light, so it holds a powerful vibration. So again, by wearing it, you're allowing yourself to feel in that high vibration. And then by keeping pieces of selenite in your home or in your spaces, you are guarding yourself from energies you don't want and allowing only high vibrations to be in your space. And it also has healing properties, so it's really great to use if you do breath work or Reiki or energy work or anything like that. And that's also why I love to have it in my coaching sessions, because a lot of what we do is so helpful for healing the emotions. So I hope this video was so helpful for you to learn a little bit more about selenite. Like I said before, I'm going to link below where I got this beautiful selenite necklace, if I can find the link. I really hope I can. And where I bought my selenite wand as well. If you have any other questions for me, leave them below. It would also mean so much to me if you subscribe to this video. Our YouTube channel is growing so much with an incredible community, and I love seeing the comments and how much our videos are helping people. So I would love to allow more people to see what it is that we're doing, and then hit the bell so you get notified when I come out with new videos. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what is your favorite crystal, and I will see you in the next one.